The day's protesting is going great. Then suddenly, without warning, diarrhea strike. No time to even attempt to find a bathroom. Well, not to worry. Now, thanks to wonderful new democratic policy, you can let it land where you stand. Remember all that painful and embarrassing time spent frantically searching for a bathroom in the big city? No more need to care because poop is everywhere. If you're having a code brown, just do the dirty squirty and download the brown load. Now you can be part of the thousands who jettisoned their pod on the streets of San Francisco. You'll never rat nose or prairie dog it again. Be sure to join the Free Finger Painting Festival and the Hopscotch Jamboree every Friday. Poop A Roni, the San Francisco treat.
From San Francisco comes
Poop A Roni, the San Francisco treat. Poop A Roni, it ends up on your feet.